and I hate this job.
Man, this math stinks.
We get way too much homework. I wish we'd be doing something else.
Yeah, I agree with you guys. We're gonna go to T-Bruce sales. We're gonna go learn how to weld. Let's go.
We just left school and we're at
T-Bruce Sales!
Woo!
Yeah!
Welcome to T-Bruce Sales. We are located in West Middlesex, Pennsylvania. We are a large fabricator of heavy steel plate fabrications and also a large machine shop to be able to machine large fabrications and machines. We build parts here that go all over the world.
What do you like most about working in the manufacturing?
Oh, the diversity of the job. Knowing something different. The main thing, from work a job like this to a small job like that, you never know what you're coming into.
In this operation, we are doing a quality inspection on the actual bores that we machine here at T-Bruce Sales. And what will this be used for?
This is part of the coal miner, a mining machine. This is the mainframe that goes in the center. That one right there is done. This is the same thing as that one.
Our finished products we do for a customer. This one here is all completely assembled and ready to ship now.
Fine. That's a wrap. Okay, boys, now that we have visited T-Bruce Sales, what are your thoughts?
I think I have a better understanding of the manufacturing industry and as a career I'm interested in.